In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the tier tool in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is come on over, make sure on Vector, and open up a new document. And on the left hand side, we've got different tabs here. So what we want to do is put over our shapes. So go ahead and click onto shapes, and then we're going to see the tier tool here. So from here we can go ahead and put a tier on your document like so. Now if we want to go ahead and change the color, we can. So we've got different options here. We can even go into advanced colors too and play around with that as well. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to keep it on this color. Now, if you don't want any color, we can do that as well. So you can go ahead and click onto this button here. So you can see it's on color, but if we change it to this, so yeah, click on the color and then click onto where it says here, the white, and now it's just going to turn it to white. Now it's a bit hard to see actually, so we want to go ahead and change that. So we can choose by the hovering over here, choose the width of the stroke. So I want to change this to make it a bit fatter. So yeah, we can see it a little bit better. All right, now let's move on. We can also edit the stroke settings here. We can edit the width here. We've got different styles we can add on. Like so, we can cap it, we can join, align. Now, if you've got any presets, if you use this before, they're going to be saved into here. So click onto that and you can add in any presets that you've saved in the past. Now, if we want to go ahead and make a fixed ball size, we've got the option to do that to the right of this. As you can see, it's going to change the shape of your tier. And also you can change the ball size %. So we can change that like that. And also the curve, we can change the curve. The tail position, move that slider around, and also the bend as well. If you want to bend, we can change the bend like so.